Oh, that was the worst crash. This ain't no rock crawler. It is when I'm driving it. Well guys, I'm back home. The reason why, I'll show you the little video clip next. I didn't even get to run this beauty. I don't know if you guys could see it. The whole roof is scraped up. And the inside, I had to put paint on it. Right there, it's all big chip came out of it. I'm so mad. I went to go do the first run. I usually do the GPS speed test run first. Had everything ready. Put it on the ground. You'll see in the video. Went to floor it to test it. Went out of control. Stayed floored. Went around my car. Went into the woods and nailed a rock. I'm lucky it didn't break. It hit really hard. You can see from the video. It's got like this big gouge out of the bumper. I'm lucky nothing broke on it. A little dent on the back there. On the A-arm holder. And it was this ESC just malfunctioned. Now when I plug it in, it just stays floored all the time. So, lesson learned. This is the only thing I had to put in it at the time. Was this one right here. Don't ever buy these on eBay, guys. So I'm going to take an ESC out of one of my cars so I could put it together and get the running videos. Alright guys, I'm back at the park ready for the GPS test. It was a bummer, I'm not going to lie, that I crashed this beauty that the RC ELF gave me before I even got to run it. It's an electronical problem. That's right, an electronical problem. Anyhow, I got it ready to go and we're going to give it the GPS run. Alright guys, here it goes. Oh, there's a lot of leaves here. There's a lot of people with dogs too. Here she comes. See how fast she goes. Looks pretty quick with the stock 540. .7. That's pretty good. That's a nice speed for this thing. I think I'm gonna leave that 540 in there. And that's the stock Tamiya silver can. 540, 2S LiPo, and everything stock. That's in the box. Now let's try it again really quick, see if we could beat that time. I don't know if we can. I'll soon find out. Oh, it looks nice. It's getting leaves all stuck in it. 19.7, that's it. Now I'm gonna give it a bashing. Alright guys, let's give it a little bash here. I don't want to flip her. Oh, as soon as I say it, what do? I flip her. These tires grip really good. Oh, that was sweet. See if we could get up here. Oh yeah. See if we could get up here again. See if we could jump into the street. Oh yeah. like going through the leaves with it. Looks like a beauty. The leaves stuck on it. I beat on this thing too much. Oh, that was the worst crash. The suspension soaks up everything. It's crazy. Let's visit the old spot. Oh, leaf ripper. These guys are probably like, what the hell's Steve doing to that beauty? I am too rough. I always do this. It's all scuffed up big time now. Look at that. Oh well. Looks a little worse, but at least you have fun with it. No sense sitting on the shelf. Oh, let's see if I can make it up there. Yep. Let's check out the old spot. They did tar it. Damn, I could probably bring the on-road here now. Smooth, like butter. See if we could go over here by the old spot. I think this is faster than when I GPS'd it. I think because it was a cloudy day out, it wasn't reading right, but it feels faster than 19.7. Oh, look at this. What I have left. Hey, might as well try it for good old times. Oh. There's a lot of stuff you hit on this. Oh, what did I hit? Some fencing, some grass cover. This ain't no rock crawler. It is when I'm driving it. They're just showing that the bug could do anything. This is really rough. Alright guys, I don't want to abuse this any more than I have to. I really abused it. Alright, that's it with this beauty here. You seen the GPS speed run, the basharoo, and look at it. It's all scuffed up and used. Went from new to being scuffed up and abused. Still looks nice though. There you have it guys. Thanks RC ELF for gifting me this beauty. I know I probably had you cringing when I ran it. I don't know, I always do this. I say I'm not gonna beat on them. I always get into it and have so much fun, you just do stupid stuff, and that's what happens. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up, comment, hit the bell for future videos, and also if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'd like to have you aboard. And this thing's a blast. I always wanted one. Thanks RC ELF, you're the best. Wait, it's not over yet. It's over now. Alright guys, see you later, ShenRC.